guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Kritika and I make videos related to food. Today I'm here to review a nacho chips product. This one is really popular and by the video title you already know we are talking about this Cornetto's nacho chips. Yes guys, I got this huge size of nacho chips packet from Amazon, and this came in a offer deal of rupees 105, so I just thought of getting my hands in it. If you don't know me, I love to have nachos, so I had to get this one, and I also thought of reviewing it for you guys because it has about 3 flavors and we're gonna try it today and see which one tastes the best. Also, this comes with a dip, and that's a big yay for us. We're gonna try all the nachos chips with the salsa dip that we're gonna get with it. So yeah, let's just open it and I'll start reviewing it for you. After opening, we have these packets with us. This one is the first flavor, Cornetto's nacho chips in the flavor peri peri. Then we have this Cornetto's nacho chips in the flavor cheese and herbs. I absolutely love cheesy nachos, so I'm eyeing on this one. And the last flavor that we have with us is the Cornetto's nacho chips in the flavor sizzling jalapeno. It looks like this, and yep. Each of these retail for rupees 35 and have 60 grams of product in it. And yeah, this is similar to the rate that we got when we took the combo pack, just that we got the extra salsa dip in it. It looks something like this, and it has this salsa dip in it. I got these ones from Amazon, but they are also very easily available on the grocery stores and especially the supermarkets. So you can definitely try Cornettos from there. You can also get this from Big Basket, Flipkart, etc. So yeah, they are easily available both online and offline. Few good things about these nacho chips are that they are absolutely gluten free and they are pure veg, so the pure vegetarians need not worry about it. And without any further ado, let's get started with the tasting of these nachos. I'm first gonna taste this all by itself and then we'll try it with the salsa dip to review both the products simultaneously. So it looks like this. It is thin, it is crispy, and you might have heard the voice while I had it. It is yum, it is nice, but it is not as cheesy as I expected it to be. It is nice on a cheesy, creamy flavors, but not extremely cheesy. Now we're gonna try this one with the salsa dip. The salsa dip is nice. The nachos paired with salsa tastes yum. The dip is tangy, sweet, a bit spicy, and perfect. So the nachos chips when paired with salsa tasted even better. So yeah, it's a nice product. Let's just try our next product, that is the peri peri cornetto nacho chips. Peri peri flavor is supposed to be a spicy flavor and I am not a very spicy loving person, so let's just try this and see if I like it. So it is spicy, but it is also tangy and flavorful. I kind of liked it and I feel this can go all by itself alone and you're gonna enjoy this absolutely, at least I am gonna. And now just let's try this with the salsa dip. It was already too tangy and with the salsa dip it gets more tangy, which is not a very good combination. I'm sure you're gonna enjoy this with the sour cream or the cheese that we drip over nachos. So do try this one with the cheese sauce, and I'm sure it's gonna match completely well and it's gonna be an amazing pair. Trying the final flavor now, which is the sizzling jalapeno flavor. And yeah, I'm literally looking forward to this one because again, I'm not a very big fan of jalapeno. So I'm quite excited or anxious to try this one because I'm not sure if I'm gonna like this one, but I'm ready to be surprised. So this one is absolutely not what I expected. I expected it to be absolutely sour and tangy. It is tangy, but it is combined with slightly sweet flavors, so it is definitely not having the sizzling flavors, the smoky flavors, but it has a sweet and sour flavor going on, which I kinda like. So yeah, I like this one, and now we're gonna try this one with the salsa dip to see how it goes along with that. So as it was tangy already, with the salsa dip it got a bit more tangy, and yeah, it's nice with the salsa dip, but again you're gonna enjoy this one more with the sour cream, so you do not want to miss on that. Whenever you're having these nachos, enjoy them with cheese sauce or sour cream, and I am sure you're gonna love it. Best thing about these nacho chips are they can be enjoyed all by themselves. You would not need a cheese sauce or a salsa dip because they taste so yum that they can, be enjoyed totally alone, and you're gonna have a good time. Talking about my favorite flavor from all these, I am absolutely confused as to which one to choose. I liked all of them, and they all have a mood of their own when you can enjoy a spicy flavor or a cheesy one or a sweet and sour one. So yeah, I'm gonna have them all at different times depending on my mood cravings. And right now, my absolute the most favorite flavor is gonna be the sizzling jalapeno flavor. Yes guys, this one is shocking for me as well because I am not a jalapeno person, but I absolutely loved this one, and I think I can munch on this any time of the day. I'm a person who likes things to be both sour, sweet, salty and spicy, and this is that one flavor. So I'm gonna choose this one among these three. Do let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite flavor from Cornettos. I'm gonna give these nachos chips a 3.5 star of rating. These are nice, crispy, yummy, and I'm sure kids and adults both are gonna love it. So you can definitely give these a try if you are a nachos fan. Do let me know in the comments down below if you would want me to try more such nacho chips from Cornettos, and I would love to do that for you. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. You can connect with me on my social media handles. The link for all my social media handles would be given in the description box below. That's it for today's video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye.